Traders Live podcast.
All right, g'day, Marto. How are you this morning, sir?
Morning, Chugs.
Mate, last night, US interest rate decision. Everything's holding. But what the market did like was Powell sort of put a bit of a tone about maybe potentially some cuts in the future, which got the market excited. And S&P rallied 57 points. So I mean, we're back on apparently.
Mate, rocket ships all around, eh? Yeah, it's funny
Yeah, yeah.
from a trading perspective, mate, and this has been very played out very clearly in the last few days. It's really a matter of no moves is good moves in terms of early futures kind of moves. So if you look at our kind of gap pre-market yesterday and the day before, and the move overnight in the States from S&P from open into kind of day open into regular trading hours open, it was just flat. So
Mm.
generally, as a very very general rule, when you have kind of low to no volatility, it just means no one's really panicking or got any major drivers. So you get that drift up most of the time. We definitely saw that on JPower.
Yeah, no, no, we definitely we did, and I mean, we called the spicy week at the start with all the news events, and we're not done yet. Quickly, XJO was up 26 points yesterday. Overnight, futures are pricing an 85-point move to the upside. The UK 100 up 20 points today at 11:30 a.m. We've got unemployment. 11 p.m. we've got the BOE making their interest rate decision. 12:15 a.m. we've got the ECB making their interest rate decision. And at 12:30 a.m. we've got US retail sales coming in and jobless claims from them. Mate, it's the day before Triple Witching. There's a few more events coming through. Have you got any sort of insights from your data or anything like that that may, you got a little teaser for us, or what's? Give me
Mate,
something.
this is the biggest week I can remember from a data. Like there's some weeks that there's a lot of kind of announcements and data out, but statistically they don't kind of they're good for news cycles, but don't really hold much weight statistically. But this
Yeah.
week all the big dogs are in play, mate, and none bigger than Triple Witch tomorrow. The day before Triple Witch, we normally see some really significant moves. It's kind of all or nothing, one way or the other. So you don't really get anything in between. So I think, mate, we could be in for talking about spicy. I think we could be in for a very spicy next 24 hours. So we'll keep an
Cool.
eye on that. But and in addition to our market opening up 85 points, I mean, there's going to be some volatility there today. So, mate, what a day to be a trader, hey?
Yeah, yeah. I guess this is the final stint before Christmas. We earn some Christmas turkey or a lump of coal, depending
Yeah.
on how we trade. But this is probably it in terms of, the last week of real volatility and actually being in the market actively. So
Yeah, that's true.
yeah.
Everyone's off on their yachts to Monaco, I think, as of next week probably. So
Yeah, I don't know if those hedge fund managers might have earned their Christmas bonus this year, but I don't know. We'll see how we go. That's great, mate. That sort of wraps us up for the next 24 hours. I'll put that live really quick. Yesterday we did release the third episode of the Traders Live podcast with Dan Nolan. It was a great, 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 great
how good was
success.
it? You did well,
Yeah.
Chugs, for running it all on your own, mate.
Yeah, you
Surprisingly.
threw me under the bus there. You just sort of, hey, hey, I heard that. Mate, it was a really good session. Really got into the nuts and bolts of trading. If you haven't watched it, just go give it a listen. He's incredibly down to earth, but at the same time incredibly successful. So it's one that you don't want to miss. That's for
Yeah, it was
sure.
brilliant for me because it was very different from how I trade. So I picked up a lot of little things to go away and have a look at. So 100% agree, mate. It was an excellent interview, and we got another one this morning that we're doing, which will be on equities. Which can't wait for that one too.
Yeah, yeah, mate. On that note, let's catch you in the trading session. See you out there. Good luck.
See you, buddy.
Enjoy the next
Enjoy.
24 hours.
Thanks, mate.
Bye.